Holy crap, I can't believe what's happened to this car. I haven't touched this 67 Camaro in literally a year. Like a year ago, I did the front cowl and all this, brand new firewall, brand new everything on the front end. And then all of a sudden I got really busy with life. And the last time I was even in the shop was when I yanked out the Camaro motor here out of my 69 Camaro, this all original 350. Numbers matching. Unfortunately, it seized right up because it had no oil or antifreeze, and that's a bit of a problem. But I think if I've come up with one New Year's resolution, that is finish this car. And that means I gotta start with cleaning up all this garbage around it. And after a touch of TV magic, I can start working on this 67 Camaro coupe or convertible roadster, whatever you want to call it with all this rust. Now, unfortunately, the roof was kind of shot itself and is some of the supports as well, but that's easy. They make a kit. The beauty about the 67 Camaro is they make every single piece of steel. You don't even need a car. You could just start from scratch, which if you've been following along, that's pretty much what I had to do, start from scratch. Basically building a brand new car out of nothing. That's how rusty this thing was. Yay me. This piece is also has to get replaced as it's all rusty. Have to cut some of that little bit of crustiness out, make a quick patch there, and then basically the steel structure of the roof is going to be good, except for a little patch there as well. They do make a piece for that. It's horribly expensive, and I really don't need to get that crazy, so I'll quickly do that, and then we can start cutting, grinding, welding. Now we've kind of gone away and hacked out the middle part here, but because nothing likes to fit with aftermarket steel, we're just going to quickly mark these out so then we know, give or take, where it's going to sit. This way, when we put up our new ones, in case there is a bit of a difference, we have an idea where it kind of supposed to sit so we don't put anything welded up, not really squared up or straight the way it should be. All right, there's one side kind of chopped up. Definitely got to put some new metal in there. It's unfortunate because otherwise you got to buy this whole A-pillar, which is very expensive. There's no patches. We're trying to keep as much of the original metal too. It's going to be quicker and easier anyway. But now that's kind of what it looks like on the inside. So most of it's good. It's just this little bit on the front corner here I'll have to touch up. Oh, this 67 Camaro is a disaster. And I've got all kinds of new metal in it already. And we just got to keep adding more. It's the gift that keeps on giving. This new roof support here has to go on. I chopped most of this off. I got to put a couple patches in. Once I get this frame part in here, and a couple other little chunks, then the new roof can go on.